Hello there, students, and hopefully at this point you have taken the opportunity to try to do these last two problems. I'm going to go ahead and talk you through them now because this is so important for us. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning up on my page there. You see we just finished those questions up there, and just to make my area a little bit cleaner, I'm going to erase what I have since we've already done number 3 in the previous video. Go back if you need to see that. And well, let's work through number 4 here. Here's what you should have done. You should have placed out 4 -1 squares. That's the first term, that -4 right there. So I've got -4 right there going on. And then we have -3x, and I didn't do this in the last problem. Remember, we look at subtraction like plus negative. That addition we wouldn't change, but we look at that like plus -2. But regardless, your picture should have been 3 red x rectangles, or if you're not using colored pencils, you would have just put -x. And then this term right here, that +8, should have been 8 of these little guys. So there, let me do this as fast as I can. And there's 4 of them. I'm going to do a little trick here. I'm going to copy this. Watch this. Copy and paste. Now it's a little unfair advantage I have, but I'm trying to keep the videos down a little bit. There's +8, and then I've also got this -2x, so I need 2 more red x's right here. So again, I'll try to do it like you would on your page. You're looking for 0 pairs, okay? So that one and that one make a 0 pair, so you could cross those off. All right, that one and that one make a 0 pair. You could cross those off. This one, it doesn't really matter which one of the blues you're choosing. You just keep going until you've eliminated all of one of the colors. What you're doing here is you're taking -4 plus 8. Those are the like terms. -4 plus 8 is +4. All right, so you have that back, and then you have these red x's. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red x's, and you see it right here. -3x plus -2x. I have -5x plus 4. What you should have had there. All right, again, the rule we're learning here is you can combine, you can add the like terms or the same shapes. If the visual piece makes sense to you, you can add the same shapes, but you do not ever add shapes that are not the same or terms that are different. You never add unlike terms. All right, and then the last one real quick. Let's try it without the tiles first. Here's a 4x and a 3x, so that would give me 7x. And then here I have -5 and 7. All right, if I take -5 plus 7, that would be +2. Let's take a look at the picture now. Hopefully you already tried it, but you would have had, here's the first, here's 4x, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we have 3x. Now again, I'm going to do my shortcut trick here just because I can, and I can save us a little bit of time. There we go. So I have 4x plus 3x right there. 4x plus 3x. And then I have -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is going to work out nice since they're next to each other. I'm going to have now 7 blues. 1, 2. I can just set them right next to each other, and you can see the 0 pairs while I build it. There's 5, but that says I have 7. There's 6 and 7. All right, so all my 0 pairs canceled out. And there I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x plus 2. 7x plus 2. Guess what? I'm happy. Got it. And that's the idea. When you come to class, you need to understand the concept of combining like terms, because that's what we're going to be working on for a while. Then we're going to mix it with the distributive property, and that's where it gets really crazy. So bring those notes to class and be ready to work when I see you next.